All right, y'all, we back with another video today. Putting this motor in the car. So right now, about to change the oil pan. Put the transmission, or no, stop the torque converter on transmission. What else I got to do? Already put my motor mounts on. I think we should be good. But I'm about to take this oil pan off real quick, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, so we got the oil pan off. Drop my pickup tube, all that stuff can't use. That's truck accessories. But I gotta reuse my window tray. And my dad just told me. So you can't with this this LS3 oil pan. You can't use, or no, your pickup tube won't fit. So you gotta modify your window tray. So I don't know if you can see my line, but cut or draw your line from, this is from front to back. So this is the front side. Cut, draw your line from here around this hole, straight down, go back to this hump right here, go straight across, come around this hump right here, curve straight up right here, and then straight back. So you're gonna cut this part and have this section left. I'm gonna put my pan together, and I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. All right, I'm back at y'all after fooling around with this thing. It's the old piece. So, actually our cutoff wheel, it was too big. Like the blade, it was too big to fit around. So I couldn't get around these edges. I'm gonna see if it fit. But if not, I just cut straight across. And then if it don't fit, I'm gonna cut in the middle and grind to each side so that this part can be gone. But if it fit, then it fit. I'm not gonna mess with it no more. All right, we back. So everything on, what do we call it? The window tray, that's on. My pickup tube is on. So I'm about to set up my oil pan real quick. Maybe actually do both. Man, putting that pickup tube on, it took forever. So it's 40s. So after this, y'all, this motor ready to go in my car. Today has been a long day. Y'all can do me a favor. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. There will be more of this. This car is a project car right now. That one don't want to go in. Figure out what these two bolts are for. Come on now. There we go. All right, let me put this pan on. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, y'all. It's late. We done got everything put back, but got good and bad news. Good and bad news. So, got the motor mounts on. We got all the bolts in. So what ended up happening? So when we tried to put the transmission and the motor together, guess what? Transmission wants to crack, so it cracked right here. This hairline cracked, and then it also cracked on this side. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Cracked like right here at the bottom. So we're not gonna test the waters. We're gonna go get a 4080 or 4060 transmission and not deal with it no more. But we're still gonna be updating y'all on this car, our journey with this car. My bad for the low energy. I'm kind of tired. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. All right, y'all, it's painted. I'm getting there. I'll take the motor back out. So I goofed. I forgot to put the gasket on the oil pan. So I gotta come out anyway, because that transmission snapped. Or the ears snapped on that. They're a little cracked. But got this 4060E. So I'm put this on there. But I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, YouTube, we back. So today is the day. It's finna to go down. Finna put the motor in. It's finna get it up in there. So I got this 4060E. I think the last video I told y'all that the 200R4, the bell housing cracked on both sides, left and right. So we said forget it. I got this 4060E two-wheel drive. We tried to get these bolts out for the shifter cable bracket, but I guess they like corroded in there. So I'm gonna just cut it, and then a new bracket will just go on the bottom. Set up the motor hoist, cherry picker, whatever y'all want to call it, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when we finna put it in. All right, YouTube, motor in. Now finna tighten down this cross member. So we got it in. We only using a hole on that side and a hole on this side because we can't get it all the way over. I'm finna go with this first hole up here to put this bolt in. And then we can let the car down.
Check at the cross number, see if it bottomed out.
Okay.
The slide. The slide. Check the slide, see if it bottomed out.
Yep, it bottomed out.
26.
But, all right, I'll cut y'all back on when I get that boat in.